Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today I'm going to show you some basic searching with MEDLINE with full text database. First thing we want to do after we get to the Daytona State College Library website is scroll down and look to the right hand side of the page for the database link. If you select that link, we'll be taken to an alphabetical listing of all of our databases. We'll select the M and then scroll down to MEDLINE with full text. I've already logged in. If you have any trouble logging into the system, please reach out to us through chat or email. We also have a video tutorial to help if you've never logged in with the system before. Once we get here, you have a basic searching bar here up at the top. You also have some limiters here beneath. If you're not familiar using this before, I suggest just jumping right in. We'll do a search on nursing. As you can see, some keyword searches pop up as you start typing. Definitely check that out. That can be very helpful. As we get to the search here, we can see how many results we have. So we have over 220,000 results. That's quite a bit. We can limit that over here on the side. All those limiters we saw on the front page are actually here available on the side. One of the limiters that are often used is to recency. So we'll do 2015. We'll limit it that way. You just hit enter to enable the reduction in the results. So now we're down to 73,000. Once we find an article we like, we can select the title and we'll get the detailed record. This will provide us with a lot of good useful background information, such as the authors, the source, who the publisher was, and also how many pages it is. So the larger the article, the more important that the abstract or summary becomes, because that can save you a lot of time. Some other neat resources and tools here on the detail record page is the permalink over here on the side. This will pop up here at the top. This provides you a way to get directly back to this article. Another useful tool is a citation. This will give you a number of different citations. APA is one of the most common ones. Make sure you double check that before you submit it, just because these are machine generated and they can have errors within them. The PDF is over here on the side. You can select that and go directly to the article, and you can read it on here. You can download it, whichever you prefer. If you have any problems or you need to reach out to us, we are available through chat or email, and always here to help. Thank you.